Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet tutorial ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to last, because all these designs are so stunning and unique. Please viewers, learn the flower making. Because it is very beautiful and interesting. You can apply in home appliances. So friends, you can see more beautiful and unique making from my channel. Please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want this type of tutorials. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique crochet designs. All these flowers are very beautiful. Thank you friends for watching me, and thank you friends for supporting me. Crochet flowers are very beautiful. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. All these designs are so stunning and unique. If you all love these articles and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. All these designs are so stunning and unique. Thank you friends for watching me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.